Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen. If you're new, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Today's video is a clean and organized with me under my kitchen sink. As you can see, it was messy and it was just not functioning. So this is how it turns out in the end. So under here, it just wasn't functional for us anymore. You can see things were thrown around, nothing really had a place. It was just a mess, and when something isn't functioning, it is time to reassess the organization and start fresh. So I went ahead and took everything out. I have no idea what caused all this kind of like paper stickiness down here, but I was able to remove it. I should have bought cabinet liners to put down here, but of course I didn't do that. But this is what it looks like under my sink. You can see I've got a ton of stuff under there. Piping. Sink areas are the worst. So we have actually our reverse osmosis, and that is what takes up a lot of space. It's not a garbage disposal. So I bought this over the cabinet door basket, and I was just making sure that I could close that door. And then I got these stackable bins at the Dollar Tree. I thought they would fit perfectly under this area. My issue was trying to figure out a way to get all of these bins under here, give myself some storage, and still have that cabinet door be able to close because of the basket that was on the door. And I really wanted that basket there so that it was easy to use just to access whatever multi-surface spray I was using, or sponges or things like that. So you can see I'm just trying to come up with a few different ways to make this work. If you're going to organize a space, you just want to make sure that it's going to function correctly for you. And so here I use this basket to put all of my Brillo pads and things like that, but I quickly realized that was not going to work for me. So you'll see I changed that around later. And then here I am hanging up my grocery bag holder with Command Velcro strips. So I use grocery bags a lot to throw away leftover food and things like that, just so it doesn't make the garbage smell. And it's better for me if it's easily accessible while I'm at the sink and I can just grab a bag. So here's my finished product. I think it turned out really nice considering that all I used was some Dollar Tree products, and the only two other things that I bought, and I bought them at Aldi, was the grocery bag dispenser and the over-the-door basket. But overall, I'm just happy with how it turned out, and this area is just so much more organized, and it's easy for anybody who needs to grab something. They can see what they need and it's easy to find. So in this basket I keep pretty much all of my daily cleaning products, multi-surface spray, fabric spray, my Endust, any antibacterial wipes or things like that. So I try to keep those products there. And then these products over here are like the glass cleaner, the stovetop cleaner, stainless steel, and my barkeeper's friend. And then underneath that you can see I have rags to clean the kitchen with. And I really like these two clear containers. I got them at the Dollar Tree and I thought they were perfect to use to store my Brillo pad. So you can see I've got those in there, and that's easily contained. Those have a residue on them, so I like that they're in with a closed top. And then here I have sponges and my magic erasers and scouring pads. And these baskets are small enough that I don't have to worry about the door not closing there. And in my over the door basket, I've got my multi-surface spray that I'm currently using, dish soap, I've got some gloves, and got a bristle brush for cleaning dishes. And so that's pretty much all I keep there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some ideas if you've been meaning to organize under your sink and you just haven't done so. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoyed this type of content. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.